to get started on doing the curtains. First I'm going to do the block outs for the windows, so that'll be on each of these windows here, and then one there, and then one on the sliding door. And this is just an old car sunshade from our old car, and they actually fit in all the windows, so I'll cut it in half for the back doors, and then I'll just buy 2 more for the other windows. And if they work out alright, I might attempt to make a big one for the front screen. Some black fabric for the side facing out, that blocks out all the light, and then this one for the inside. And yeah, we'll just use some magnets, hot glue gun magnets on there so it sticks to the metal.
Very nice.
So now I'm just going to trace the other side and do the same. So that's how it'll sit like that. So now I'm just going to sew a seam around the edge of this, just where it's falling apart a bit because I cut it. After this, I flipped the covering material inside out and sewed all along the edges, but I left a gap. I used a hot glue gun to stick the magnets on, and I sewed them in just in case the glue comes loose. Then I flipped it the right way around and put the Reflectix in through the gap. So I finished making the window block outs. They work really well and block out all the light, and you also can't see in at all. Here they are. And yeah, the magnets work really well. They stick up so easy. Yeah, so we've got these back too. And then the side window done. And this is the sliding door one. For this one I actually just used curtain block-out material instead of Reflectix, and yeah, it works really well still. It blocks out all the light and everything. It's away from the bed a bit, so we thought we didn't need the Reflectix as much, but yeah, it still works just as good. We got this block-out curtain from Kmart. It slides across here on a little railing and hooks up, and then we've got little magnets that we put on the side just to lock it all in. It's so hard to wake up in the morning because it keeps it really dark in here and also really cool. So yeah, they work really well. So it's night time now and I've got all the lights on. The overhead ones. They're turned up all the way. And now I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. Okay, close it. So you can't see in at all, it's just completely dark. Martin's just going to take the corner down to show you the light. So yeah, and that one has no insulation in it, that's just got a block out curtain in it. And now I'll show you the back door windows. Wow, the moon's so bright tonight. See, totally dark. And then that's with it coming off, so then you can see in. And those ones do have the Reflectix in there as insulation. Put it back. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.